Hello everyone, today's video tutorial is going about Naoris Wallet Extension. As you can see from the name of the extension, this wallet is designed especially for Naoris protocol, new testnet. Right now, let's get started. The first step is always to search for the name of the extension in the search bar of Mrs. Browser. And then in the search results of Mrs. Search, you can find out some buttons. And by clicking those buttons, you can directly download the extension in CRX format to your iPhone. Then please click Download, and after the process of the download, please open the puzzle icon and select Wallet Settings. Then you can install the CRX format of the extension. So this is right. Let's wait for the completion of the download. Open Wallet Setting and select the CRX format document we just downloaded and enter Naoris Wallet Extension. Create a new one, submit, then you get your seed recovery phrase. Please write down your seed recovery phrase and keep it secured. And let's proceed to the next step. Then please verify your seed recovery phrase. I said it. Then let's set up our password and confirm our password. Then let's click Create the wallet. And then let's open Naoris Wallet Extension once again. The password to unlock the wallet. Go to the homepage of Naoris Wallet Extension. At this page, homepage of Naoris Wallet Extension, you can see the total balance of your wallet. You can receive funds. You can send your assets, any other address of Naoris protocol. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy Naoris protocol and Naoris Wallet Extension. Have a nice day. Bye bye.